morning students. My name is M. Sujata, working at MassCRT, KGBB Madipadu from Nellore district. Today we discuss the chapter Similar Triangles. Similar triangles. In before class we discussed the similar figures and congruent figures and exercise 8.1 problems. Today we discuss the exercise 8.2 problems. Now we going to example problem. A person 1.6 meters tall has 1.8 meters shadow. At the same instance, a lamp post casts a shadow of 5.4 meters. Find the height of the lamp post. First, we draw the figure. So, A, B, C, P, Q, R. AB is a person 1.6 meters tall. So, AB is the person. So, person height 1.6 meters and 1.8 meters shadow. So, BC is the shadow, person shadow. Shadow value 1.8 meters. Next, at the same distance, a lamp post casts a shadow of the 5.4 meters. So, PQ is the lamp post and QR is the shadow of the lamp post. So, shadow of the lamp post value 5.4 meters. Find the height of the lamp post. So, let height of the lamp post is x. Let height of the lamp post is x meters. Next, angle B and angle Q is the 90 degrees because a person and a lamp post always perpendicular to base. So, angle B equal to angle Q. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B equal to angle Q equal to 90 degrees and AC and PQ are parallel lines. So, angle Q equal to angle R. Angle Q equal to angle R because AC is parallel to PR. So, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because by AA similarity. So, angle B value 90 degrees and angle Q value 90 and same time angle C equal to angle R, remaining angle A equal to angle P. So, triangle ABC corresponding sides same ratio. So we will write AB corresponding part PQ. PQ equal to next BC, this corresponding part QR. QR. So AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Next we substitute the values in the ratio. AB value 1. So AB value 1.65 by PQ value X, that equal to BC value 1.8 meters. So 1.8 by QR value 5.4. 5.4. Next, cross multiply. So X equal to 1.65 into 5.4 by 1.8. 1.8. Now we get the cancel. 1.8 ones, 1.8 threes. So that equal to 3 5s 15 and 3 6 18 plus 1 19. 3 ones 3 plus 1 4. So X equal to 4.95 meters. So what is the X? Height of the lamp post. So therefore height of the lamp post is 4.95 meters. 4.95 meters. One exercise 8.2. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. If one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeters, determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. First we draw the diagrams. So first triangle ABC and second triangle 30 centimeters and second triangle perimeter 20 centimeters. So the two triangles are similar triangles. So next, if one side of the first triangle is 1 centimeters, it is the one side of the triangle. Next, this corresponding side. Next, corresponding side of the second triangle. Let second triangle side X. First, what is the given? The perimeter of the perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. Next, one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeters. Next step, one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeters. Next, let the corresponding side of second triangle is X centimeters. We know that the ratio of perimeter of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. So the ratio of the perimeter of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. the ratio of corresponding sides. So first triangle perimeter 30 and its side 12 centimeters by second triangle perimeter 20 by second triangle side x. Next, cross multiply. So x equal to 12 into 20 by 30. 0 0 cancel and 3 ones 3 fours, that equal to 4 twos are 8. X equal to 8 centimeters. What is the x? X is the corresponding side of the second triangle. So corresponding side of second triangle is 8 centimeters. Once again, a girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meters per second if the lamppost is 3.6 centimeters above the ground. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. First, we will draw the diagram. AB is the lamppost and D is the girl. Next, BC is the shadow of the lamppost. BC is the shadow of the lamppost and DC is the shadow of the girl. First, write the values. Height of the girl 90 centimeters and height of the lamppost 3.6 centimeters. 3.6 centimeters. Now we write given values. First, height of the girl. Height of the girl equal to 90 centimeters. Next, height of the lamppost. Height of the lamppost equal to 3.6. So this value in meters and this value centimeters. So we convert the centimeters into meters. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 90 by 100 meters, that equal to 0.9 meters. So 90 centimeters converted meters 0.9. Next, speed of girl. Equal to 1.2 meters per second. 1.2 meters per second. The girl walking away for after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, it means BD. So distance of BD equal to 4 seconds. That equal to 4 into 1 second value 1.2. That equal to 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. So 4.8 meters. 4.8 meters. Let DC distance x meters. DC distance x meters and BD distance 4.8 meters. So let distance of BC equal to x meters. We take these two triangles. ABC is one triangle and DEC is one triangle. So angle B equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees that equal to 90 degrees because lamp post and a girl always perpendicular to base. So the angle 90 degrees. Next, angle C equal to angle C. C is the common angle. C is the common angle. So the two triangles are similar triangles. So A, B, C similar to triangle C, D, E by AA similarity. AA similarity. We know that two triangles are similar. The corresponding sides are same ratio. So we write the sides AB by corresponding side D equal to next corresponding side BC by next corresponding side DC. Next we write the values. AB value 3.6 meters by D value 0.9 equal to BC value 4. BC value means BD plus DC equal to BC. So BC value 4.8 plus X. 4.8 plus X by DC value X. So cancel 0.91, 0.94. So next write the 4 equal to 4.8 plus X by X. Next cross multiply 4x equal to 4.8 plus X. Plus X move to left side. 4x minus X equal to 4.8. 4x minus X 3x. So 3x equal to 4.8. X equal to 4.8 by 3. 3 ones 3.36. That equal to 1.6 meters. So what is the X? X is the shadow of the girl. So shadow of the girl is 1.6 meters. Next we repeat problem. AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. AB equal to X, CD equal to Y and PQ equal to Z. Prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Here in the figure AB and PQ and CD are perpendicular to BD. So first we write the given value. What is the given? AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD and next AB equal to X, CD equal to Y and PQ equal to Z. Next RTP. Prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Now write proof. First we take the ABD triangle and PQD triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle PQD triangle. Angle B equal to angle Q equal to 90 degrees. Angle B equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees. This is the given. And angle D is the common angle in these two triangles. So angle D equal to angle D, common angle. So triangle ABC similar to triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQD by AA similarity. We know that the ratio of their corresponding parts are equal. So first we write the QD by next BD equal to PQ by AB that equal to QD by BD equal to PQ value Z by AB value X. Next QD equal to BD is divided by, so it converted into multiply Z by X into BD. This is the equation 1. Similarly, triangle PQB and triangle CDB. So triangle PQB and similar triangle CDB. So take the ratio of their corresponding sides. So first to write the BQ by and BD equal to small triangle PQ by big triangle CD. Next write BQ by BD equal to PQ value Z by, so write only BQ equal to Z by Y into BD. This is the equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding 2. QD equal to QD plus BQ equal to Z by X into BD plus Z by Y into BD. So QD plus BQ, from figure QD plus BQ. So QD plus BQ value BD. We get BD. So write QD plus BQ value BD equal to common value BD. Remaining Z by X plus Z by Y. Z by X plus Z by Y. So BD cancel. Next 1 equal to common value Z. We get common value. So remaining value 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So Z is the multiply 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So Z converted into left side 1 by Z. So 1 by Z equal to 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So write 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Once again, next problem. Construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm. Then construct a triangle similar to it, whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. First write the rough diagram. Draw the rough diagram. Triangle ABC. So the sides are 6 cm ABC, sides 6 cm, 5 cm and centimeters. Fraction 2/3 fraction. It means 2/3 is a proper fraction. Proper fraction always less than 1. So the new triangle always interior of the original triangle. So new triangle always interior of the original triangle. So it's C dash and A dash. So A dash, B, C dash is the required triangle. First draw the BC is the 6 centimeters line segment. BC is the 6 centimeters line segment. Next we measure 5 centimeters with compass with center B. Draw the arc. Draw the arc. Next we take the measure 4 centimeters with the center C. Draw the another arc. It cut the before arc. The intersecting point named as A. Join AB and AC. Join AB and AC. Next we draw the acute angle with ray BX ray. BX ray. Next fraction 2/3. It means 3 is the denominator. So we locate 3 points on BX ray. This distance same. So we take the same distance 3 points. 1 point and another point and another point. So name B1, B2 and B3. B1, B2 and B3. Next join the B3C. Join the B3C. Next draw the line B2 parallel to BC. So draw the line parallel to BC. Cut the BC on C dash. C dash. Next we draw the parallel line to CA. Parallel line to CA with center C dash. So this is A dash. So A dash, B, C dash is the required triangle. Required triangle. Once again, first we draw the BC line segment 6 centimeters and BA is 5 centimeters arc draw. Next 4 centimeters, take the 4 centimeters with compass, draw the another arc with center B, the intersecting point A, join the AB and AC. So ABC is the triangle. Next we draw the BX ray. Next we locate the 3 points on BX is B1 equal to B1 B2 equal to B2 B3. Next we join the B3C. Next we draw the line through B2 to parallel BC. So join the it intersect the C dash. So next draw the line parallel to CA. So its center C dash, cut the BA at A dash. A dash, B, C dash is the required triangle. Next write the steps of construction. Steps of construction. Next steps of construction. First step, construct a triangle ABC with given measurement. So first we construct the triangle ABC. Next draw a ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite side the vertex A. So BX ray, we draw the BX ray. Next third point, locate 3 points. Locate 3 points B1, B2, B3 on BX ray so that RP. So first given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Next RTP. RTP means the ratio of areas. Areas means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So AB corresponding side PQ whole square equal to BC by QR whole square equal to CA by RT whole square. So this is the RTP. Next construction. So first we draw the perpendicular to BC, AM and P. The AM perpendicular BC and PN perpendicular QR. So AM is perpendicular to BC and PN is perpendicular to QR. Next we go to 3. Proof. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to area of triangle ABC, formula half into base. Half into base. Base means BC into height AM. AM is the height. Next, area of triangle PQR. Area half into base QR. So QR into next height. PN is the height. Next, cancel. Half of cancel. You get BC by BC into AM by QR into PN. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to BC into AM by QR into PN. This is the equation 1. Next, we take the triangle ABM, triangle ABM and triangle PQN. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q. Next, angle M equal to angle N. Angle M equal to angle N. Next, so equal to angle N equal to 90 degrees. So triangle ABM similar to triangle PQN. So their corresponding sides AB corresponding sides AM by PN equal to AB by PQ. AB by PQ. This is the equation 2. Next, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR is given. So their corresponding sides ratio equal. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to CA by RT. CA by RT. This is the equation 3. From 1, 2 and 3 we get PQ into next equation 2 AM by PN value AB by PQ. So AM by PN value AB by PQ. We write the two values that equal to AB into AB square by PQ into PQ square. So AB square AB by PQ whole square. Now by using 3 we get triangle ABC, get triangle area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square equal to BC by QR whole square equal to by RP whole square. So hence proved. Once again, exercise 8.3. First problem, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. BC equal to 3 cm, EF equal to 4 cm and area of triangle ABC equal to 54 cm square. Determine the area of triangle DEF. First draw the figures A, B, C, D, E, F. So area of triangle ABC 54 cm square and BC value 3 cm and EF value 4 cm. Find the triangle area of DEF. So first write the given values. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Next, BC is equal to 3 cm and EF equal to 4 cm. EF equal to 4 cm. We know that triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to 54 cm square. We know that triangle area of ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to BC by EF whole square. BC by EF whole square. Substitute the values. So area of triangle ABC value 54 by area of triangle DEF equal to BC value 3 by EF value 4. 3 by 4 whole square. That equal to 3 square 9 by 4 square 16. 54 by area of triangle DEF. Cross multiply area of triangle DEF equal to 54 into 16 by 9. 9 ones 96. So 16 6 are 96 cm square. We get the area of triangle DEF equal to 96 cm square. First, once again we repeat the problem given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Next, write the BC value, EC value, EF value and area of triangle ABC value. We know that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to BC by EF whole square. Substitute the values in the form. So area of triangle ABC value 54 by area of triangle DEF, that equal to 3 by 5, 3 by 4 whole square. 3 square value 9, 4 square value 16. Write the area of triangle DEF equal to 54 into 16 by 9. So 9 ones are 1.5 centimeters. CQ equal to 4.5 centimeters. Prove that area of triangle APQ equal to 1 by 16 area of triangle ABC. First we draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. A, B, C is a triangle and PQ is a straight line. So PQ is a straight line meeting AB at P and AC at Q. Next, write the AP value 1 centimeter and BP value 3 centimeters and AQ value 1.5 centimeters and CQ value 4.5 centimeters. First write the given values. AP equal to 1 centimeters, BP equal to 3 centimeters, AQ equal to 1.5 centimeters, CQ equal to 4.5 centimeters. First we find the AP by PB value. First we find the AP by PB value. AP 1 by BP value 3. Next we find the AQ by QC value. AQ by QC value. AQ value 1.5 by QC value 4.5. So cancel 1.5 ones, 1.5 threes. That equal to 1 by 3. So we observe these two values. AP by BP value 1 by 3 and AQ by QC value 1 by 3. It means the two ratios are so equal. AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. AQ by QC. In the diagram, and triangle APQ and triangle ABC, A is the common angle. A is the common angle and these two ratios are equal. It means these two sides are equal. So triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC by SAS similarity. We know that area of triangle PQR, triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC, triangle ABC equal to AP by AB. AP by AB whole square. AP by AB whole square. That equal to AP value 1 by AB means AP plus BP. AP plus BP. So AB value AP plus PB whole square. That equal to AP value 1 by AP value 1 plus BP value 3. So 1 plus 3 whole square. That equal to 1 by 4 whole square. That equal to 1 by 16. Area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 16. Area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC. So write the only area of triangle APQ equal to 1 by 16 into area of triangle ABC. Once again, first write the given values and find the AP by PB value. So AP by PB value 1 by 3. Next we find the AQ by QC value. So we get the answer 1 by 3. We observe these two triangle ABC by SAS similarity. So triangle, we find the area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC equal to AP by AB whole square. That equal to AP by AB means, we observe here AB value is AP plus PB. So we substitute the AB place AP plus PB. So we substitute the values 1 by 1 plus 3, that equal to 1 by 4 whole square. So we get the area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC value 1 by 16. So only we find the area of triangle APQ equal to 1 by 16 area of triangle ABC. Assignment: a flat pole 4 meters tall cast 9. First question: a flat pole 4 meters tall casts a 6 meter shadow. At the same time, a nearby building casts a shadow of 24 meters. How tall is the building? Next, second question: construct a triangle shadow similar to the given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Next, third question: the areas of two similar triangles are 81 cm square and 49 cm square respectively. If the altitude of the bigger triangle is 4.5 cm, find the corresponding altitude of the smaller triangle.